And welcome to week 1. This week we're focusing on physical vitality. Now, this is key first because it's going to be your foundation. You want to be in a place where you're sleeping well, your hormones and neurotransmitters are in full production. If you try and skip that step and let's say you try and go to working on your memory when you're tired and depleted, it's not going to be that easy. You can do it, don't get me wrong, but it makes sense to do the physical side of things first. When you've got more well-being, you can put that into the higher states, training the mind and then aligning with values. With that being said, there's going to be a few key pillars for physical vitality this week, which we'll introduce each day. So we're going to have sleep, movement, nutrition, stress management, and recovery. Sleep and recovery, you could say, are the same, but sleep is so important that I've given it its own day, which is critical because there's many aspects to sleep that you will want to learn about. So I'll meet you over in the sleep content drop and see you there.